Hello, and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host, Angela, and I hope that you enjoy. While scouring the internet looking for something to do with the popsicle sticks that I'll be acquiring this summer from my kids, I found these 30 ideas that I wanted to share with you. There are some really cool ideas in this list, and I'd like to create at least one myself this summer. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. Simply leave the number you're interested in within your comment. Now let's check out what these fantastic popsicle stick artists have to share with us today. What a great idea for lighting decor! This was made by building a hollow square tower of popsicle sticks. Then use your choice of lighting solutions, including a battery-powered light, to place in the middle. Use popsicle sticks to create mini pallet coasters for all your favorite beverages. Keep in mind, after you create your popsicle stick masterpiece, you can paint it any color you choose. I imagine this one to be a coffee color brown. What color would you paint this? Leave it in the comments below. Recreate this lighting decor with several popsicle sticks glued together in triangles. Then glue those triangles together to form the shape shown. Check this one out! You can even make hanging light fixtures. And if the other ideas weren't impressive enough, here's an Eiffel Tower built entirely out of popsicle sticks. What a work of art! You can also make some really unique shelves out of popsicle sticks. If you're getting some great ideas out of this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another creative upload, and also that will help support the channel so I can continue to make awesome videos just like this. Most of these creations can be found on Etsy for purchase, and I encourage you to go there to check out some of the other unique arts and crafts that Etsy has to offer. And just when you think you've seen it all, we have a purse made out of popsicle sticks. Now, if that's not creative, I don't know what is. Here is a really unique idea to make shelves out of popsicle sticks. These would be really fun to make. I love the look of this planter sitting on a base made of popsicle sticks. What a fantastic idea. It looks a little like feng shui. I don't know what corner I'd put it in, but I'd put it in a corner. It's been bad. What a truly unique lamp! From the base to the shade to the flowers on the shade, it's all made of popsicle sticks. This is another one that I would love to make, so I do encourage you to vote for it, please. It's number 28. Here is a great way to add a lid with hinges to a box made of popsicle sticks. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button to help push this video out to others who might enjoy this type of content. It will also support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.